Good morning. I know I look a freaking hot mess, but we're trying to be productive today. We're gonna start off our day in the bed. I started doing laundry load to wash all like the white stuff because they were a little bit dirty. Now we have some fresh pillowcases to put on these fresh sheets. Bed's done. Because it is going to get our shit together vlog, then let's go do the dishes. Alright, I just kind of somewhat finished getting ready. I still need to do my hair. It's just, you know, curling. So we're gonna make a coffee for now. Look at the ice. So when we were painting the walls, it got little like white marks and I can't wash them off. I get accustomed. I just got out of the shower if you couldn't tell, so it is the day after. Right now what I'm trying to do is organize the fridge because we went grocery shopping and, you know, Costco stuff needs to be put away in the freezer. So I'm kind of organizing, and Bae is actually going fishing tomorrow. So as I'm cleaning out the fridge, I'm trying to see what I can make him for tomorrow, so I can just like clear out everything that we haven't used. And I'm making sandwiches. Well, it's like, I'll show you. This is what I came up with. So it's basically just like the Hawaiian rolls, and I'm putting ham. So it's ham and turkey, it says. Sandwiches, but I still need to clean out the fridge and clean the living room kitchen area, so I'm gonna do that. Alright, let's start cleaning the fridge out because that needs to get done now. Came to Costco to finally get a new vacuum because when I was trying to clean yesterday, it just was not working. And it literally stopped sucking everything up, and I just couldn't, like, I tried to clean as best as I could, but I couldn't do anything. So I just sweeped, but finally getting my new vacuum. This is the damage so far. We got those vacuums, we ordered in some Tito's bread and toilet paper. All right, back home. Now we're gonna do the vacuum opening. Stain from apple juice. We're gonna finish assembling our vacuum and then we're gonna test it out. Alright, let's go test it out. I made some fried rice and I'm making some, like, I think they're called like pot stickers or dumplings or egg rolls. I don't know, let me show you. They look so good and my fried rice tasted amazing. Okay, this is what they look like. So these are the dumplings. I think honestly I'm gonna like them toasted a little bit more, so I kind of left them on there longer. But fried rice, dumplings, oh my gosh, smells so good.
The next day,
we are going to be working on getting this whole ordeal out of control. I have a lot of stuff in my like actual room, my bedroom, and it needs to get organized. There's a mess for sure in here. I had bought these like little boxes from, honestly, I want to say Dollar Tree or what? No, I think it was Dollar Tree. I think it was Dollar Tree. I'm like 99% sure. They look like. Did I just get scammed? Oh. Okay, cool. Hey, this this is actually worth $1.25, I think. I got these other bigger ones. I'm thinking of putting tripods in here, so you're probably gonna go, actually I'm gonna need you later today. I'm just talking to my handy dandy tripod, the other one, because you guys are standing on one. Yeah, no, I'll probably put the baskets down here. So I'm thinking like this, maybe. This isn't even everything. There's another ring light there, there's a tripod there, you guys are on the tripod. Okay. This is not gonna fit in there. What if I... doesn't fit. All right, here's the issue. I have another one here. It just doesn't have like those wooden pieces. See what I'm saying? And I don't want to have to like move them. Maybe I could put this tripod in there. I wanted to keep like all my camera stuff with camera stuff, and then, you know, I don't know, we'll see. Essentially the goal is to get everything out of here into there. So it's just like a bunch of like electronic stuff that doesn't have to be in here. I think this is for the car. So your phone, I think, is supposed to go here. Okay. I'll probably use this one. We're gonna use this little basket for chargers. Whenever I need some, I'll know where to come, and at least I'll be able to find it. It's not like they were unorganized in the other drawer, but I just rather keep everything in the office with all the camera stuff. This, I don't know, I still have it. I'm gonna keep it. My battery, of course. Okay, honestly, I think for now that's what we're gonna do. I just woke up, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the remodel. It's been like 4 or 5 months for us, but everything is looking good. It's just taking so much longer because it's only one person who works a full-time job and is doing section by section. It's not just here, it's like literally the whole entire house. So you guys saw that the room was kind of done, so we brought all our stuff here because, again, section by section. So let me show you guys. This used to be a brown hallway. If you don't remember what it looked like, let me see if I can find it, but if I do, it should be right here. If not, then it's going to be in like one of my previous vlogs, but yeah, it was like brown. Oh, well, no, my room is actually a different color. Oh, maybe the bathroom. The bathroom has not been touched, but the hallway, doors are white. They used to be brown. It used to be this color, brown. The door used to be this color, so you can definitely see the difference here. It's like more updated, more modern. We didn't have any sort of baseboard on here because of the flooring that we did like several years ago. We just never got around to it. This was like broken, so that was never there. It was just non-existent. My room is going, I just woke up. My room is going to be the last thing that we do. So right now they are currently working on this room. So you can see, like, look at the difference. And then they just did the baseboard here too. I think they're also going to add a closet. I don't know when they're going to do that, but it's going to happen. I just don't know when. And you guys remember the brown chimney? Yeah, it's white. This is what the kitchen is looking like so far. It's pretty much done. The only thing that needs to happen is they need to install the plug for the stove so that it actually functions. But everything else, like we have a sink. Oh, and then also the counter. So right now we're like using a temporary wood, but it's going to be switched into that marble one. Windows, that was non-existent. The little baseboard around it. Now it looks, again, elevated, more modern. Looks like they're actually windows. They looked just like my bedroom one. Or here. Oh, no, they did the baseboard on that one already. What? Then he missed this one. See, it looked like this one, but it's tile basically, and it looks like, I don't know, like that. But I'm so excited. It's looking so freaking good. Even like, I don't know, it's looking really good. And finally, I mean, it only took again, months. On your guys' end, it's like, it's only like probably like a 30-minute long, if that. So